channel. I'm Astrid. So today we will unbox and review this Lego Classic mini box. I will show you how to build the mini helicopter. I will separate the mini helicopter parts, then we will build. So guys, let's unbox. It's like this. We have the instructions and we have one bag. Okay, let's put the box over here, and then let's open the first. Of course, it's only one bag, so let's just open the bag. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna just find the pieces of the helicopter so I can just put here again the pieces that we don't need. So guys, I already separated the parts of the Lego Classic mini helicopter. Now let's build. First, let's build this. And next, these parts. And next, these. And guys, next this one. So guys, this part. Next is the bottom part. And next, let's build this, the spinny thing. What they always call a real helicopter. First, let's put this before we put that on. Ta-da! It's still not a helicopter, you still need this. I can also spin it. Ta-da! Oh. Next. There we go. That's a perfect square. Ta-da! The mini helicopter is done! The Lego Classic mini helicopter. So guys, here it is. I'm done. It's very simple to build. So if you already memorize it, you can always build it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Bye!